Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Walgreens haul. Yes, y'all, a Walgreens haul. It has been a long time that I've done a video for a Walgreens haul. But first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get to this video. But first, if y'all hear somebody talking, we got today some good weather. It's like 60 something degrees here and my neighbors are out. So if you hear anybody talking, I do apologize, okay? But it's like I said, it's 60 something degrees and everybody's out because we used to having 20 and 30 degrees or some snow or some rain here where I live in my city, okay? Excuse me. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I got was the Colgate Optic White, the Stain Fighter. These are $3.99 a piece. There is a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. Make sure you get the ones that is $3.99, okay? Because you also get a $4 cash reward back, okay? The Walgreens cash, you get that back, okay? When you purchase 2, all right? The next thing is the Scott. The Scott paper towel, then also the Scott toilet paper. They are $5 each. There is a IVC in the book, or it could be digital also, but if you use it on the digital, it's only one time. So you might as well get the book. Keep the book. If you're going to use the digital once, but also have the book when you go back and get some more for $1.25 off. Also, there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, if you didn't use it last week, because I didn't use it last week, I used it this week. So that's why I got $1 off of my Scott paper towel and Scott toilet paper, okay? But y'all need to stock up on this toilet paper and paper towel because the prices, y'all, are skyrocketing, okay? It seemed like 1 week you paying a price, then the next week or 2 weeks after that, you paying a higher price than what you paid last week. So make sure that you get these sales, because that's the best thing to do is get these sales, okay? So it made these cheap, okay? Because you paying $5, take the $1.25 off, and then $1. Hey, can't beat that. Go to Walgreens, stock up. Now, if you don't have no more $1 off coupons, or you don't have any more numbers to actually, accounts, then just pay, I think it's like $3.75 from the IVC. Then for the $1 off, make that $2.75. So you can't beat that, y'all. Get out there and get those, okay? Then the next thing I got was these Sweet Tarts. The Valentine's is on sale here at our Walgreens for 40% off. So these were $1.99. So I believe they rung up 99 cents. Let me double check. No, I'm sorry. They was 99 cents. And I got them for 59 cents. They 40% off. I got them 59 cents. And I love Sweet Tarts. So I had to have these the last 2 on there. So I was like, I'm taking both of them because, hey, they're Valentine's, okay? The next thing are these 3 Dove hand wash. They are buy one, get one 50% off. There is a digital coupon. If you didn't clip it last week, I don't know if it's on this week, but it was on a Dove. If you buy $3 if you buy off of 3. So it did attach to these Dove hand wash. So I got the deep moisture, the pampering care, and then another deep moisture, okay? Make sure you scan them and make sure that the coupon attached. So if you buy all 3 of them, you will get a $5 off Walgreens cash, okay, back. So I had that coupon for that. Then the next thing I did was On the Chic and the Skintimate, it's a spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash back. So all three of these had coupons attached, which is a digital also. So I went ahead and did the digital. If you don't got the digital, you can't, you've already used it. Look for today, in today's paper, there are coupons for the Chic. Also, coupons.com also has the excuse me, has the coupons that you can actually print also on there. So you'd better go ahead and get it because everybody is seeing that this is a good deal. So like I said, the deal is on Chic razors or Skintimate razors. Also, I think the cream on the Skintimate, the shave cream, shave gel, is also included. So what I did was I got the men's sensitive hydro skin number 5. This was $8.99. Yes, $8.99. I got the hydro silk touch up, the women's Chic. This is $5.99. And then I got this Chic Extreme 3. This is $5.99. I think that's how much it was, both of them. Yes, $5.99. And I got my $5 back, okay, for my Walgreens cash for that when I spend 20, okay? I want to tell you all, I forgot to tell you all, yes, these are $3.99. Like I said, buy one, get one, 50% off. I think I had already told you all that. I'm not for sure if I did, but they are $3.99, okay, a piece. But they're buy one, get one, 50% off, okay? So, when I went up to the cash register and I had everything, I went ahead and had all my stuff. She totaled it up. Then also I had a reward saying if I spent $40 or more, I get $9 back in Walgreens cash. Then I had a digital. I believe I had a digital. If you spend $20, you get a $5 Walgreens cash. Or I think I still had that $5 off of 5. You get a Walgreens cash. I can't remember on there. But when all my coupons, digitals, every last one of my digitals came off, y'all, my subtotal was $29.59. So I was going to try to see if I could use some Walgreens cash, like $10, but my cashier wasn't having it. She's like, if you use this reward, you won't get back the cash on the. Now I didn't want to argue with her. I just said, okay, fine. And I just paid cash for everything. So I paid out of pocket. Like I said, my subtotal was $29.59. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So I paid out of pocket $32.72. And I'm gonna show y'all my receipt too, okay? So let me show you my receipt. This ink on here is not all that good. So there's the Dove. Buy one, get one. All right. Half off. There's the Chic Hydro Silk Touch Up. There's the the Chic Extreme 3. There is the Chic 5. There's the 2 Colgates. There's the Sweet Tarts, the Wonka Sweet Tarts. There is I forgot, my daughter had she was with me, so she got some cashiers. So you're gonna subtract that $1.99 from my subtotal. And then there is the other $3.99 for the Dove. And then there is the Scott paper towel. There's all my coupons, and there is my point, the booster that I had. There's all that. There is my subtotal, $29.59. It's all my coupons that I used. So y'all, look what I got back. $28.49. Okay? $28.49 that I actually got back. And look how much I told you how much I spent. $29.59. So after everything, I only paid $1.10 for everything. $1.10. That's it. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all hear my granddaughter in the back. But $1.10 only. So, thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.